This Italian Easter bread recipe is really special because it's our family tradition passed down from my husband's grandma Rose. I'll show you how easy it is to make. In a small saucepan, heat the milk and butter to 120 to 130 degrees. In a large mixing bowl, combine rapid rise, instant yeast, salt, and sugar. Add the eggs and whisk together. Add the warmed milk and butter mixture, then 2 cups of flour. Attach a dough hook to a stand mixer and combine on medium speed until smooth, about 2 minutes. Slowly add the remaining 2 cups of flour to the mixture on medium-low speed. Knead until the dough is stiff and slightly sticky, about 12 minutes. Place the dough on a lightly floured board. Hand knead for 3 to 4 minutes. Shape the dough into a ball, cover with a dish towel, and rest for 10 minutes. Divide the dough into 6 pieces. Roll each piece to form a 1-inch wide rope about 14 inches long. Taking 2 pieces, twist the rope. Pinch the ends together, then loop it into a circle. Place 2 on a parchment paper lined baking sheet. Loosely cover the baking sheet with plastic wrap. I like to let it rise in a warm area like an oven until it doubles in size. Whisk together an egg and 1 teaspoon of water. Brush each braided bread with the egg wash. My kids enjoy topping the bread with colorful sprinkles. Place 1 dyed egg in the center of each braided ring. Do not press into the dough, it will sink down as it bakes. Bake 1 tray at a time at 350 degrees until golden brown, about 15 to 18 minutes. Quickly transfer the baked bread to a cooling rack. The bread is so delicious when it's still warm. I'm pretty sure the kids could eat a whole loaf. Plus, it's great to give as a holiday gift.